Dear students, I'll be giving you holiday homework in the form of the revision question answers that will be having a format of board examination, wherein you'll be having 35 questions, 20 marks will be of objectives and 24 marks will be of short question answers and 30 will be of long answers. At the same time 6 marks will be of the map question. At the same time, I'll be also be giving you project wherein you have to do two project. Three of the options are given to you. You have to do two out of it, and all details have been given in this. So you have to follow. When school reopens, you have to submit both the holiday homework as well as your projects. Today we will be giving you holiday homework and the project work at the same time. First, I am going to give you project work. See, you have to make project of two topics. 3 topics are given. Any 2 topics you can pick up. The topics are consumer awareness, social issues, sustainable development. You have been given 3 topics. 2 among these topics have to be done. And each project will be in separate file. You won't be combining both the project in single file. 2 separate files will be required for 2 projects, and there should be a cover page. Cover page includes the school's emblem along with the topic and to whom you are submitting and by whom it is being submitted. Then there should be acknowledgement where you will be acknowledging your school authority, at the same time your teacher and your parents and friends who have helped you in doing the project. Then there should be one index, and the content should not be more than 10 pages. It should minimum 10 pages. Don't go beyond 10 pages. At the end, you all will be putting one page of bibliography, that is the source from where you have taken the matter of the project. So you have to do this project when your school reopens. You have to submit the project, and I am again reminding you, 2 projects means 2 separate files. It should be submitted when the school opens. I'll be giving you one revision question paper. It will be holiday homework for you people. The question answers are based on a board pattern where you'll be having objective questions, short question answers, long question answers. At the end, you'll be having map work. Let us come to objective questions. First, we come to multiple choice questions. The first question is, the civil disobedience movement was launched by Gandhiji in. You have been given 4 options: 1930, 1931, 1932, 1933. Second question, the song Vande Mataram was composed by. The 4 options are Muhammad Iqbal, Rabindranath Tagore, Satyendranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Third question, at which of the Congress session was the non-cooperation movement adopted? The 4 options are Calcutta 1920, Nagpur 1920, Lahore 1929, Bombay 1918. Fourth question, who created the first cotton mill? The options are Newcomen, James Hargreaves, Richard Arkwright, Wright brothers. Question number 5, the Marwari businessman who started the first jute mill in Calcutta in 1917 was. The 4 options, Seth Hukum Chand, Ratan Tata, G.D. Birla, Dwarka Nath Prasad. Question number 6. The land which is left uncultivated for some years to regain its lost fertility is called. First option, fallow land, barren land, wasteland, arable land. Question number 7. Which of the following is the official language of Sri Lanka? The 4 options are English, Tamil, Sinhala, Telugu. Number 8. In which region do the French-speaking population live in Belgium? The options are border region, Wallonia region, capital region, northern region. Question number 9. Which is the highest institution of Panchayati Raj in the rural area? The 4 options are Zilla Parishad, Gram Sabha, Gram Samiti, Block Samiti. Question number 10. Which of the following is a residuary subject? The 4 options are computer software, police, adoption, commerce. Now we have few fill in the blanks. Living. Sustainable development means to use resources without dash them. 12. In a democracy, people rule themselves through the institution of dash. 13. Dash is a local government body set up in towns. Now we have few true and false question. Now next one we have is India is coming together federation. True or false? 15th question. Gomastas was another name for the jobbers employed by the Indian industrialist. Is it true or false? Then we have the 16th question, that is match list 1 with list 2. You have been given two lists. In the first list you have 4 numbers, that is Union of India, second is state, third is municipal corporation, and fourth is Gram Panchayat. In list 2 again you have 4, A Prime Minister, B Sarpanch, C Governor, D Mayor. And you have been given options down. The first option is D A B C, second is B C D A, third is A C D B, and fourth is C D A B. Whichever option is correct, you have to choose the correct option. Now we come to 17th question, which deals with assertion and reasoning type of question. Consider the following two statements on the power sharing and select the answer using the codes given below. First statement is power sharing is good for democracy, and second is it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. You have been given 4 options. Both A and R are correct. B, A is true but R is false. C, A is false but R is true. D, both A and R are false. That means whichever option is correct, you will be writing that option. Question number 18. Name any 2 methods to control soil erosion in the hilly areas. 19. Who demanded separate electorate for Dalits? 20. When and where the first cotton mill set up in India? Now we are coming to short question answers. There are 8 short question answers. Question number 21. Describe any 3 major problems faced by the weavers in the cotton textile in the 19th century. Question 22. Distinguish between the non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movements. Question number 23. Why is soil considered a resource? 24. What do you mean by sustainable development? Explain. Question 25. Describe any 3 provisions of amendment made in Indian Constitution in 1992 for making 3-tier government more effective and powerful. Question number 26. What do you mean by holding together federation? 27. Give 2 prudential and 2 moral reasons of power sharing. 28. Make a comparison of power sharing arrangements in Belgium and Sri Lanka. Now we come to long question answers. You have 6 long question answers. The question 29. What are different forms of power sharing? Explain. 30. How is federalism practiced in India? 31. Discuss the Salt March to make clear why it was an effective symbol of resistance against colonialism. 32. How did British market expand their goods in India? 33. Discuss the different types of resources with examples. 34. What are the different ways by which we can conserve our resources? Now we come to the last question, that is the map question. I am giving you map question. You have to do the map question in the political map of India. On the political outline map of India, mark and label the following. You have to do any 6. I am giving you 8. Out of these 8, any 6 you have to mark. First is Indian National Congress session in December 1920. Second, Satyagraha movement by indigo planters. Third, Jallianwala Bagh incident. Fourth, the place from where civil disobedience movement started. Fifth, the place where non-cooperation movement was called off. Sixth, Indian National Congress session in 1927. Seventh, one state having black soil. And 8th, one state having alluvial soil. So I have given you the questions for as a homework. It is a revision work of all the chapters that we have done, and you have to do these questions. When your school reopens, you have to submit these questions to the teacher. That's all for today, students. So this is all for today. You have your project work as well as your holiday homework in a form of revision question answers.